Good morning, dear student. Today I am continue to previous lecture. I am previous lecture to discussion Laplace transformation and their application. Now I am discussing the theorem of the first theorem of the Laplace transformation. So you know that the first formula or a first theorem of Laplace is equal to L. 1 is equal to 1 by S at S is greater than 0. Now second, L t to the power n is equal to 1 upon, also known as n factorial, total upon S to the power n plus 1 is also known as gamma n plus 1 upon S to the power n plus 1, where S is a natural number or a real number. Now second, L e to the power at is equal to 1 upon S minus a, where S is greater than a. Fourth, L e to the power minus at is equal to 1 upon S plus a. Now I discussed the first theorem of Laplace. Prove that L1 is equal to 1 by S, where S is greater than 0. You know that we have Laplace of ft dt is equal to 0 to infinite e to the power minus st into ft dt. So if putting ft is equal to 1, now L1 is equal to integral 0 to infinite e to the power minus st into 1 into dt. So integral of 0 to infinite e to the power minus st is equal to e to the power minus st total upon minus s, limit 0 to infinite. Now putting the limit of 0 to infinite, minus 1 upon s is equal to 1 upon e to the power st 0 to infinite. Now 1 upon s, limit putting 0 to infinite, first of all putting to infinite, 1 by infinite minus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 upon s, is also exit the minus, and minus minus is equal to plus 1. So L1 is equal to 1 by s. Hence prove that. This theorem is the basic of Laplace transformation. Now second, L t to the power n is equal to gamma n plus 1 total upon s to the power n plus 1. Now second proving है आपके पास L t to the power n is equal to 1 upon, चलिए हम ऐसे आपको लिख के दिखा रहे हैं कि फैक्टोरियल n total upon s to the power n plus 1. Now I have putting in a Laplace function ft is equal to t to the power n. So L ft is equal to integral 0 to 1, 0 to infinite e to the power minus st into ft dt. First you put L t to the power n is equal to integral 0 to infinite e to the power minus st into t to the power n, t to the power n into dt. This integral is a first and second by part integral. You can first let the first function. The first function you can let by islet method. First of all, islet. Where is islet? Islet. I L A T E. You know also. You know also. Islet it means I means inverse function. L means logarithmic. A means algebraic. T means trigonometric. E means exponential. You can first. And now I am proving the second theorem of Laplace transformation. Lt to the power n is equal to gamma n plus 1 upon s to the power n plus 1 is also known as the factorial n upon s n plus 1. Now solve to this theorem. L t to the power n is equal to integral 0 to infinite e to the power minus st into t to the power n into dt. Let st is equal to x, so t is equal to x upon s. Differential of this function, differential of this, differential with respect to t. Now s into 1 is equal to dx upon dt. So you also know dt is equal to dx upon s. Put this value of in this function. L t to the power n is equal to, now limit you can also put 0 to limit 0, infinite to infinite, e to the power minus x into t to the power n, and t value is also putting t is equal to x upon s. This means x to the power x upon s to the power n into now also put the value of dt x upon s. Solve this. It means n s to the power n plus 1. It means 1 upon s to the power n plus 1. Now integral 0 to infinite e to the power minus x into t to the power n into dx is denoted as L t to the power n. We know that gamma n is equal to integral 0 to infinite e to the power minus x into x to the power n minus 1 into dx. So you see this function is also is a gamma n plus 1. Now L t to the power n is equal to integral 0 to infinite e to the power minus x into t to the power n plus 1 minus 1 into d. Now आपने पुट आउट किया है x x x x x. So therefore L t to the power n is equal to 1 by 1 by s to the power n plus 1 into gamma n plus 1, so also called gamma n plus 1 upon s to the power n plus 1 is also known as factorial n upon s to the power n plus 1. L t to the power n is equal to factorial n upon s n plus 1. All value of n is positive or a negative. All value of n where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot. Now watch this video and prove first function of Laplace and second function of Laplace. Now again classes I have also discussed the Laplace theorem of third. L equal to e to the power at is equal to 1 upon s minus a. You can note down and watch this video again to again. If you have any query, please comment this videos and this channel.